Adjusting your sprinkler heads isn't such a bad job, if you have the right tools.
I like to check my irrigation or sprinkler system every month or two, and I check for dry spots and clogged heads and clogged filters. The problem is it's really hard to work on this with two hands because these are pop-up heads and they're down at the ground level and they're spring-loaded, so they're really hard to get this head to pry up. What you do is you hold it with one hand and you kind of turn the head, hoping that it doesn't slip.
But now there's help.
Check this out. I found this nifty new tool made by Rainbird. It's a spray head pull-up tool. And what's great about it is you basically, all you have to do is put this into the head, pull it up, hook this on so you don't need two hands. Then you can go ahead and open up the head. This keeps it from slipping down so that you don't lose the shaft. Sometimes when you're working with these pop-up heads, the shaft disappears into the body of the sprinkler head. Makes it very difficult to get these out. And a lot of people say, well, I'm going to use the needle nose pliers, but those clamp in. What's so great about these tools are they clamp out. So all we have to do is put this in, clamp out, and this way we're able to pull out the shaft and rework it and put the head back on. And the beauty of this is that it goes 1, 2, 3. Like anything, the right tool makes a job go